Guys, this is Janvi. Today we are going to make slime. You might have guessed by the title. So, let's get started. Guys, for that I have a bowl. Then I have this slime box which I made out of things which I hadn't at my home. So, I am using this green colored glue. And then I have this slime activator. Then I have a spoon. And I have a lot of spoons, so I'm just going to use them. So I have a lot of glitter. I have red glitter, silver glitter, oops, silver glitter. Then I have some blue glitter. And then I also have some green glitter, like this one. I'm going to use green glitter and I'm going to make green slime. Then I have some of these pearls kind of things. Also I have these kind of decorative things which I'm gonna use. I have foam balls just left outside in the box, so you can see this little foam balls. So yeah, let's get started. For that we will need the glue, so we're gonna start with the glue. So as you can see guys, I'm gonna use the camera now. Okay, so as you can see I have the bowl, so I'm gonna put all of the glue inside the bowl. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this glue and put it all up, dump it up. Whoa, that is very weird. Okay. This makes a lot of sound, but it's actually very fun. Quack, quack. It's sort of like this kind of sound. Quack, quack. So, yeah. Uh, Once all of the glue is out, you can open up the lid of it, okay? So, let me open the lid. Ready, ready? Steady. Go. See? It's open. Now I'm just gonna try to take out whatever is left inside. Oh, that is bad. Okay. Yuck. I'm just gonna try and remove it till the time you guys rest. So guys, I tried my best to remove it. So this is all that I could remove. Now we're gonna fill an empty bottle of glue. Like I have this empty bottle of blue glue. So yeah, I'm also gonna use some of these kind of things. Let's just keep it on the corner because it's green. Yeah. So this empty bottle of glue, I'm gonna fill it with some slime activator. Okay. So you're just gonna put this aside. Whoops. Yeah. Now we're gonna fill it up with some activator. Filling it up, it is very easy, right? This is the bottle. This is the slime activator. Now open it and squeeze. I like the squeezing part and all. Fill it a little half. Okay. Okay, I filled it a little bit more, but it's okay. See? So yeah, that is filled it with activator. Now I'm gonna add some glitter. So let's take out some of the green glitter. Okay, yep, good. So now as you can see, this is a green glitter. It's falling everywhere. It's like on me a little bit also, but it's okay. Let's open up the green glitter. Okay, now after it's open, I'm gonna put it inside the green slime glue. This is it. I put a little bit of glitter. Okay, I guess I put a lot, but it's okay because there can never be less glitter. Now, after putting the glitter, we're gonna put some decorative things. What about I put some foam balls or some beads, like just like this. So I think I'm gonna use these ones, but they're super cute. I really adore them. So yeah, let's take out a few small ones because we need a little small things. Okay, I put it all, like not a lot, but okay, a little bit. I have to put up a big one, but that's okay. As you can see, yep. Now, I'm gonna mix it. Mixies. As you can see, this is my bowl, and I'm gonna mix, 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 mix. Mix, 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 mix. So yeah, as you can see, I've mixed a lot of glitter, and you can't see the brightness, but actually, if the camera is not there, you can see it's dark. But in actual, without the camera, it's very nice and light. So now remember the activator which we had in the glue bottle. We're gonna put just a little bit of it. So ready, steady, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just 4 drops first. Now we're gonna mix, 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 mix. As you can see, it's starting to form. Oh, nice. Now we're gonna add a few more drops. Like I guess I'm gonna add 3. Okay, that's a big glob. That might be fine. Just gonna take that area. And then, whoa, that is big. Okay. Oh, it's stuck. We need to add more activator. Right, guys? Give a thumbs up if you agree with me. So, as you can see, I'm going to add a little bit more of the activator. Good. So, I've added 3 globs because it was not forming with that one little glob. So, I'm just going to mix. Now, let's see what happens. This is also just my second time making slime. So, yeah. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's not that good as I hoped it would be, but yeah, let's keep on mixing. I still have a few little things, little glue, or you can say slime left on the corner, so I'm just gonna take them out and mix it up so that it might get a little better. So yeah, it makes a lot of sound while scraping them out, right? So till the time I'm struggling, you can subscribe, like, and share this video. You know, a lot of people like to make slimes, so that is why it's hard to make this video. You can share it with your family, they will love to see how to make slime. And you can make the slime for them, right? And if your slime turned out like this, then they can just like break it and then join it and make different kind of things. Like break it into half, take the one half and put it flat like this. Okay, then leave that one alone and take this one. Then try to make this into a triangle. So once you do that, you can join it with the other one from here like this. Now it kind of looks like a fish. Okay, yeah. So you can make different kind of things like this. So you'll have a lot of fun, and stay tuned for my next video. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye guys. Oh yeah, don't forget to mail me on janvikhetan@gmail.com. Bye. As you guys know that my slime did not turn out how I expected it to, but it was really very fun. Bye.